Okay, y'all, I'm going to Kroger. I really don't need anything, but I want to see what they have left dealing with this coronavirus. Let's see. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my very first vlog. Everyone has been telling me to vlog, so I'm going to give it a try. My first stop is Kroger. As you can see, I did not want to touch the shopping cart. I wanted to see what was left. I really didn't need anything, but I did pick up a few items. So we're going to get some Granny Smith apples and some oranges. So let's see. As you can see, most of the green juices and the fruits and the vegetables, they were still there. I was speaking on the video, but because they were playing music, I have to chop it up so YouTube won't give me a copyright strike. Green juice I really like. So they are out of most of the canned goods. They only have the stuff that no one wants, like, what is this, sliced mushrooms? Like, people don't want that. So all of these shelves are empty. Look at that. It's amazing, and they just got this shipment in. This is worse than when Atlanta gets snow. I got a few things. I got some fruit. I really don't need anything because I really stay stocked up on that stuff. All of the milk is gone. Like, I drink almond silk, and they got like coconut, unsweet, like the stuff no one wants. Okay, so I'm done shopping, and I went in there for one thing because I was like, I really don't need anything, and look at all these bags. I mean, come on. So yeah, this is my Kroger coronavirus shopping. Y'all, it's been raining, but when I say it looks like spring out here now, I am ready. For those who don't know, this is my dog Lucky. He is a Maltipoo and he is 7 years old. I just had to throw him in here, but now let's go shopping. Okay guys, we are headed to Homegoods and probably TJ Maxx. I'll see if I make it there. This is kind of like a shop with me video. I basically just want to show you what I buy and how I shop when I do go for organization, like bins and totes and, you know, different stuff to organize your home. I'm sorry if the camera is moving. I got it facing the other way. But yeah, so just ride along with us. Okay, so we are here at Homegoods, and I was just thinking I may go to Five Below because I do need a mic, so I'll see if they got like a cheap mic that I can get. I'm gonna let these ladies go by. Okay, y'all, first stop is Homegoods, and I want you to come along with me so I can show you how I shop for organization products. Y'all, vlogging is the funniest thing. Everybody was staring because I was holding this tripod and talking to myself. I'm like, I can hear y'all. I can see y'all staring at me. I'll see how long I can keep this up, but for now, let's shop. This is where I get my pot and lid holders from. If you go and watch my pots and pans organization video, you will see that those came from Homegoods. And just like this one, it's only $3.99, which is very inexpensive. Here are the drawer organizers. Now this is the kitchen section where you can put these items in the kitchen drawers, the cabinets, or the refrigerator. I also like to use them in the bathroom drawers. Make sure you watch my bathroom drawer organization video for more ideas. This is a drawer organizer, and this is for the kitchen, but it's $12.99, but you get like two. This is also a good drawer organizer. These shelves I also used in my kitchen organization video. I love using these Lazy Susan turntables. I did a project using spices and seasonings. I'll make sure I do a video on that. Now this is what I have in my cart so far. Something for myself and something for one of my lucky subscribers. These 3-section dividers, they come in handy, but I did find a dupe of these in the dollar store. These are great colorful dividers for your kids' room, the bathroom, or like a playroom. Just in case you can't find any hand soap anywhere right now, Homegoods is fully stocked. Guys, so I made it back from HomeGoods and I did get some items. I also went next door to Five Below. Since this video is so long, I will upload the shopping haul video tomorrow. Please click the notification bell so you will be notified as soon as I upload the new video. Please make sure you subscribe so you will be qualified for future giveaways. Okay, so I gotta make sure I'm ready to go in here. So I'm going to HomeGoods. I wish I had some shades because I like to be incognito, if you know what I mean. But anyway, okay, y'all, you know what?